Today we are going to learn what are the subject pronouns in French, then how to conjugate to be in French in the present tense. I is translated either by je, if the verb starts with a consonant, or by the letter J followed by an apostrophe if the verb starts with a vowel. But today we will only need je, so repeat after me. Je. Je. You can be translated different ways in its singular form. If you are talking to a friend or a family member, or if you are in an informal setting in general, translate it by tu. Tu. If you are talking to your boss or someone you've never met before, or maybe you are in a formal setting, translate it by vous. Vous. He is translated by il. Il. And she is translated by elle. Elle. We is translated by nous. Repeat after me. Nous. You in its plural form is always translated by vous. Vous. And finally, they is translated by il with an S if there is at least one boy or one man in the group you are referring to. Repeat after me. Il. But if you are referring to a group of girls or women only, then they is translated by elle. Elle. Okay, let's repeat French subject pronouns. Repeat after me. Je. Tu. Il. Elle. Nous. Vous. Il. Elle. Now, let's learn how to conjugate the verb to be in French in the present tense. In French, to translate to be, we say être. Repeat after me. Être. And here is how to conjugate être in the present tense. Repeat after me. Je suis. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Elles sont. Let's repeat it one more time. Je suis. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Elles sont. Okay, it's time to practice to memorize now. Let's see if you can remember the subject pronouns in French. Tell me how you will translate those pronouns in French. Je. Tu. Il. Elle. Nous. Vous. Il. Elle. Let's see if you can remember it if we mix things up. Elle. Je. Il. Nous. Il. Vous. Elle. Tu. Let's review the conjugation of to be in French in the present tense. How would you say this in French? Je suis. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Elles sont. Let's see if you can remember it if we mix things up. Elle est. Ils sont. Il est. Tu es. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Elles sont. Je suis. That's it for today. Let me know how you did in the comment section and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.